Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 20s. Saturday through Sunday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows near 20. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 20s. Monday through Tuesday, partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 30s. Lows in the lower 20s. Here is the forecast for the following area in Utah, northern Wasatch Front. Today, mostly cloudy. Patchy fog in the morning. Haze through the day. Highs in the upper 30s. Tonight, mostly cloudy in the
Why you guys aren't listening to me today? You're supposed to be doing the test. You are supposed to be doing the test, but you're not listening. That's you not doing the test. You're not doing the test. You're not doing the test.
A chance of snow in the evening, then snow likely after midnight. Mostly cloudy.
Look at the time. Look at the time. It's 11:02 and you're not doing the test. Yes! I was wrong. He did the test.
This is a test of the no-weather radio warning device. Potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers, are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next good weather day. Here is the forecast. Following area